Alright, welcome back to the channel. Glad to be back with you guys. Thanks for joining me, Yanto, and Beyonce on another adventure. Today we really are just trying to get back on Beyonce. It's been a few days now. Took a little bit of a hiatus. Went down to the Florida Panhandle. Got a little sun. A little bit too much sun probably. But hey, it was a good time away, relaxing, getting your mind off of things, coming back refreshed, renewed, ready to start making more content, ready to start doing more stuff on the bike as we get going here once again. So again, just having a good old time. I miss being on her. I saw a ton of bikes going into Florida, and so it was I was like, man, I wish I would have brought Beyonce. So we left her at the house, but we are going to hope that maybe in the future here we'll get down to Florida with Beyonce, do some riding around with her. That'd be kind of fun, even though, like I said, it's Florida. I mean, there's no hills, so there's no mountains, there's no twisties. It's a lot of straight line running, so I guess that could be fun too. Going into Florida, it's just so hot, man, and I can see why people are squidding, meaning they don't have any gear on. Like they are in shorts, they're like tank tops, and some with helmets, some without helmets, and I'm like, I see why. I can see why they are not wearing that stuff, because it's just so daggum hot, especially in the heat of the day. I mean, if y'all ain't never heard me say it, I may never said it, but I said it in person, but that Florida sun, it burns different. For some reason it just burns hotter, man. I've been in Georgia for a very long time, and I can stay out in the sun. I mean, I'm talking about when I was a kid, right? When I was a teenager coming up, I would stay out in the sun. I'm talking about the summer heat of Georgia, like 80s and 90s and all this mess, right? And I'd be out there all day in the blazing sun, all day. I would never get burned. Never. I never get burned. I'll tan really well, but I never get burned. I'm out in that Florida sun for like 2-3 hours, straight direct sun. No, I'm getting toasted, Holmes. Like, it's not even funny, man. I'm like, dang. So that's why I say that the Florida sun, it burned different. They're not having sunblock on and being absolutely just fine. But going down there, dude, I have to put on sunblock, or else I'm getting cooked on the first day. And if my stay is extended, like let's just say I'm staying like 3 or 4 days, or maybe a week, right? Yeah, like the rest of my week is terrible because like I'm burned, and so my shoulders, you know how it is to get burned. Your shoulders are itchy, it hurts to the touch. You don't want to be out in the sun, so in essence it ruins a couple of days of spending time out in the sun on the beach or in the pool. I mean, you just ruin it because you can't get out in the sun anymore. It just hurts. And so yeah, I haven't like I said, that sun down there burned different, fam. It does, man. It's super crazy how hot it is down there. So if you haven't been exposed to that Florida sun like that, and you go down there, heed my advice. Put that sunblock on. A quick shout out to my Discord folks who are in Florida that I know of, Evo and Cat. Alright, we're gonna get it, okay? We're gonna get that ramen, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna get that pho. We're gonna get that. it's gonna take me a little bit. So y'all be patient. I'm gonna get there. We're gonna get there. Unless Evo moves, then he's a buster. Don't be moving, fam. Nah, I'm messing with you, homies. But anyways, yeah, we'll get down there, get some pho, get some ramen, hang out for a little bit, because we do like coming down to the Orlando area as well. So if we do come down there, I'll holler at y'all. I'll let you know on the Discord, and then like I say, we can hopefully we'll have the opportunity to sit down, chat it up, get some good noodles, or you know what I'm saying, a bowl of pho, whatever. Get to hang out for just a few. There's a new place called Taco Daddy that's coming into town here. I don't know if that's a brand new kind of spot, or I don't know if it's some sort of chain that's moved in from somewhere else. So if you've ever heard of Taco Daddy, holla down at the comments. Is it originated in a different state, or is it just an up-and-coming small business here in the state of Georgia? This right here is a newly minted road, so we like coming down through here, ripping it up through here. We ain't gonna rip it up today though, because like I said, it's a newly minted road. Might be some po-pos sitting over here, you know what I'm saying, catch your brother slipping. So we ain't gonna be slipping. We gonna ride right, we're gonna have some fun, ride around through here. But it's a pretty fun little road to ride on. See what I'm talking about? See what I told y'all? See that po-po right there? I told y'all. I need that cell canceling. Yamaha, can y'all go ahead and just put some cell canceling signals on this thing though, for real? Come on, man. I mean, it is the SP, okay? Come on. It's the small things in life, Yamaha. It's just the small things in life that makes me very, very happy. Bad time for a pick. Maybe I could be ghetto enough and film with Taco Daddy just real quick. You ever wonder where some of your Carvana cars come from? This little lot right here. This is where some of y'all cars come from. So how heavy really is my southern accent? I've heard that some people don't hear it. I heard it both ways. Some people say they don't hear it, and some people say it's heavy. But I don't know if it's depending on the company I'm with. If I'm by myself, sometimes I can hear myself slip into it, but for the most part I don't like hear it. But I guess some people hear it. I mean, I could slip into it. I could slip into it like real heavy, like this right here. But it's just because I'm actually like really trying. And it's, I mean, I did grow up in the country. So, but at the same time, it's like, who knows if it's just, like I say, if it's the company I'm with or what. But like I said, some people say they hear it, some people say they don't. Let me know what you guys think. Is it real deep, real southern like, and real heavy? Or is it just people trying to hear what they're trying to hear? I don't know. I mean, I do have it. I know that I have it, but I just don't necessarily think that it's like heavy like what they say it is. Alright fam, that is going to do it for today's video. Just a little bit of riding around, having some fun, getting back on Beyonce. Like I said, it's been a few days since I got on her, so it was just fun to get around, getting some time to be on the bike with her. So we're gonna wrap it up, gonna have some fun again. As always, like, subscribe, comment, share, all the good stuff. We appreciate you guys. As always, Beyonce, Yento. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.